Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Bedok North Avenue 2. We are seeing a 4-room door-to-door unit at block 512. Across the street is Kaki Bukit Neighborhood Town Center, where the 511 Market and Food Center is, which is open until late at night. There is a giant supermarket and retail shop in the vicinity. A bus stop right below the block to Bedok Mall or bus interchange. Block 512 consists entirely of 4-room flats with a total of 140 units. Come, let's take a look at the unit. Now, we are making our way to the flat that has access to the lift. As you step into the flat, it has privacy as being a door-to-door unit. This corner 4-room have 3 comfortable bedrooms, living dining, a storeroom, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms in the house. The hall is spacious and the flooring is covered with tiles. The master bedroom has an attached bathroom with enough space to accommodate a queen's bed and a wardrobe. All bedrooms are designed with a squarish layout, which enables the easy positioning of furnishings and decor. The house layout offers a smooth flow between rooms, beneficial for families with young children or elderly members. As you enter the kitchen, it has a row of top and bottom cabinets for storage and an area for laundry at the end of the kitchen. Finally, this 92 square meter flat has an regular layout that provides flexibility in designing interiors to suit your family preference, as it can easily allocate dedicated zones for children activities, while others can carve out a workspace or hobby area for every housing needs. Therefore, if you would like to experience living in Bedok community, please give me a call for a viewing today. I will see you in the next video.